um, we tend to compare so that we can feel better about ourselves eh. Like ako na-experience ko na rin yan, especially when I'm feeling insecure. Titingin ako sa iba tas maghahanap ako ng mali nila para hindi ako mag-feel masyadong insecure. And then I catch myself and I'm like, that's not right. We're not supposed to compare. Kunyari, when I'm going through a painful experience, titingin na lang ako sa buhay ng iba tas sasabihin ko, okay lang, mas masakit naman yung pinagdadaanan niya, hindi na okay na ako. That's totally wrong. Kasi, ano tawag dito? Kasi we are we are not here to compare our pain to each other. Eh. We are here to help each other how to overcome that pain. So what I would say is, we cannot compare. Usually people say that yung, wag ka nang ma-depress, tignan mo nga yung buhay niya. Kasi uncomfortable din sila eh. They feel uncomfortable when they see you depressed or when they see you feeling negative energy. Instead of talking about it, kaagad, let's brush it off, let's brush it aside. Wag na natin pag-usapan kasi weird and uncomfortable. But what I would share is, the only way that we can truly deal with pain is when we can actually talk about it. And of course, we choose the people we talk to. Hindi naman yung parang kailangan ibuhos na lang natin lahat ng sama ng loob natin sa lahat ng nakikita natin. But more of healing, it requires you to face your pain, to talk about it, to acknowledge saan ba nanggagaling yung pain mo. So hindi natin pwedeng sabihin yung, wag na natin pag-usapan yan, masyado kang depressed, i-let go mo na lang yan, iinom na lang natin yan. Hindi pwede yon. Kasi the more you distract yourself from that pain, the more your pain is going to build up, and in bigger ways, it's going to get your attention later on.
Exactly.
Sasabog ka, maglalasing ka, tas hindi mo na maalala kasi hindi mo pinansin yung nararamdaman mo.
And when you wake up the following day, the pain's still there. It's still going to haunt you.
At may hangover ka pa kasi ininom mo.